Welcome to Buddy's Play World, where every day is a play day. Hello, friends! Today, we are going to learn about farm animals. Are you ready? Let's go! Who's that over there? It's a cow. Cows love grass and give us milk to drink. Can you say cow? Cow. What's that sound? It's a pig rolling on the ground. Can you say pig? Pig. Look at the sheep. Sheep have soft wool that we use to make warm clothes. Can you say sheep? Sheep. Here comes a chicken. They give us eggs. Can you say chicken? Chicken. They make a funny clucking sound. Look at this strong and fast animal, a horse. Horses love to run fast, and they help farmers on the farm. Can you say horse? Horse. Here's a funny farm animal, a duck. The duck swims happily all day. Can you say duck? Say it with me. Duck! Look at this animal, a goat. Goats love to climb rocks and hills. Can you say goat? Say it with me. Goat. What's that noise? It's the donkey with its funny voice. Donkeys help carry heavy loads on farms. Can you say donkey? Say it with me, donkey. Look at this big bird, a turkey. Turkeys have shiny feathers, tall and perky. Can you say turkey? Turkey. Last but not least, meet the farm cat. Farm cats help keep the farm free of mice. Can you say cat? Say it with me. Cat. Wow, we met so many friends today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.